Hello everyone, welcome back. Today is not a hair video, but I'm going to be unboxing a Hum vitamins box that I got in shipping today. So I guess as everyone is in quarantine and thinking about how we can help our bodies and stay healthy and, be good to our insides. I've been buying a lot of vitamins. I take a few a day, and I looked up, like a probiotic that I could take, and then also maybe something that could help me lose some weight in the process. I think everyone feels the need to kind of do that right now, but then I just searched on the internet and found Hum. There's like a million videos on YouTube about Hum and people reviewing it and you talking about the results and all that good stuff. So I'm definitely behind on this brand, but I know that Hum sends YouTubers vitamins and for free so they can review it and all that good stuff. I bought all my stuff. I'm not getting paid by anyone, so this is gonna be just my honest opinion. And in 2 weeks I will post the results of how I liked it and if it worked well for me and all that good stuff. So let's just start unboxing. This is the box that I got in the mail, and I'm just gonna start opening it. So the first thing I see here is a face wash. It's very tiny. It doesn't even say how many ounces it is, but it was for free, so it's really nice. The two that I bought from Hum is the ripped Rooster. So that's basically just a fat burner. This is the first time in my life that I've ever taken any sort of thermogenic diet pill of some sort. But since Hum had it and their website is really nice and they have a lot of nice reviews, then I thought that I would give this a shot for my first time. It says 7 keto, green tea leaf, and chromium dietary supplement. But yeah, I mean, most of the reviews that I've seen about this is people have lost a little bit of weight on their tummy. So I'll measure my stomach and then see if it does anything for me. There's a bunch of frilly stuff in here. To the bottom. Okay, so the other vitamin that I got was Flatter Me. Yeah, I was looking for some sort of probiotic because I have a lot of digestion issues, I'm bloated or constipated, and I think your stomach have a big impact on your overall health and losing weight or feeling good mentally and your body as well. So I got Flatter Me. It says supports flatter stomach and healthy digestion, 18 full spectrum enzymes, dietary supplement, and vegan capsules. So it is vegan if you are wondering about that. This is what it is. And then as far as the rest of the box, you get this little pamphlet. Oh, it has the state of California on it. That's really cute. I used to live here in LA once upon a time. I'm in Brooklyn now. Okay, there's that. There's the order number. And then I think that's it. Oh gosh. Yeah, that's everything that came in the box and just a bunch of the stuff. So I will do a follow-up results video in a week or two and let you guys know what will happen. Yeah, I'm really curious to see how this works. I mean, I already take a multivitamin, omega-3, and vitamin D and sometimes magnesium in like an immune, for a pill for your like immune system. So yeah, I'm just gonna incorporate that into my schedule of vitamins, and I'll let you guys know how it all turned out. So stay tuned and subscribe so you can see if it worked, and then like we can see if this all worked in the end. Thank you for watching.